Hello, it's Jakob from FMGX. I took apart my Dolan Pre Cursa completely because I want to go on the bikepacking trip and actually wanted to take a different frame, but that frame didn't arrive, so I used the Pre Cursa now. I needed to take it apart completely. I wanted to use different parts and it needed to be cleaned. Now I'm rebuilding that bike. First thing I'm going to do, because I don't have a bike stand, is I'm going to put tires on the wheels. Then I will put the fork in the wheels in the frame and then I can lean it to the wall. That makes everything else way easier. For this bike I'm going to use the Ritchey race slick tires because I like the other Ritchey tires that I'm running. First of all, because with all the silver parts I want to achieve a classic kind of look, classic modern look. And second of all, I'm convinced that these tires will be very good. Good thing with the slick tires is you can use them both directions, and since I'm running a flip-flop hub, they will work equally good in every situation, no matter which gear I'm using. Okay, the tires are on. They look pretty small for 25mm tires, definitely smaller than Continental 25mm. And now I'm gonna put the headset in, if I can find it. I am using Ritchey components on all my bikes, especially the handlebars, but for transparency reasons I want to tell you that I wrote to Ritchey about the trip that I'm planning and they were so awesome to send me a box with the parts that I'm using on this build. I was thinking of making a full frame bag for the trip because I really don't like the handlebar bags. I think they're kind of annoying. I want to use all of my handlebars, all the space, and be able to grab everywhere. I think I will just check what I have left on material, on fabric, and then make a full frame bag and try it out. Okay, I will do all the fine-tuning later, like all the angles of the seat and the handlebars and stuff, so I will just build it that it's standing and then I will take the measurements from the old parts. Now the main ingredient of this build, the Dura-Ace 7710 crank set. I wanted to have this a pretty long time and then I saw a good offer, and first I need to find the button bracket. Where did I put it? Always grease. I messed up my very first track frame by not greasing the seat post, or at least not enough. I was never changing any positions or changing parts, and after 2 years it was just stuck. Now I rather put a little bit more grease. I may be able to install the bottom bracket with a Ritchey lockring tool, and that kind of fits. I need more grease. This was so exhausting. I either forgot how hard it is to install button brackets that don't have external cups, or this one was specifically hard. Now it's turning, it works. Okay, I am finished for today. I just have to install the chain. I didn't do that yet because I didn't quite decide which gears I will use. Also, I didn't grab the handlebar tape yet because I also don't know which brake lever I want to use. If I want to go with the cross brake lever like this, or with the conventional road bike levers like these for the front brake. If you have any opinion on which brake lever I should use, write it in the comments. Help me with my decision, because I'm really undecisive at the moment what I want to take and what I want to use. I'm not too sad that I didn't get the other frame that I actually wanted to use. I really like the look of the Pre Cursa with the silver parts. I will show you. It has this kind of NJS-like sparkles a little bit, and I think that goes really well with the silver Ritchey classic parts and the Dura-Ace. This looks really good. I will be gone for a month, so I won't be making vlogs for the trip, but afterwards I will try to make a nice compact video, like a documentary about the full trip. If you want to support my trip, there's still this PayPal money pool. The link is in the description. I would be happy if someone wants to give me 1 or 2 euros so I can buy an ice cream on my way. And then see you on the streets. Bye!